Good morning to all. Electrical machine design EMD. Topic armature winding design for DC generator. Question problem. The armature winding is designed for 550 kilowatts, 250 volt, 250 RPM, 10 pole DC generator. External diameter 130 centimeter. Gross length 38 centimeter. Flux per pole is 0.0785 Weber. Assume proper values for the missing data. Calculate number of values for the missing data. Calculate number of conductors, number of slots, conductors per slot, dimension of slot. Fifth question, armature copper loss. Solution. Capital E is equal to P pi Z divided by 60A. We already explained in previous classes, theory classes. E is equal to V plus root to 3% of rated value. So E is equal to 250 plus 15. E is equal to 65 volts. Given values is 550 kilowatts, 250 volts, 250 RPM, 10 pole, external diameter 130 centimeter, that is 1.3 meter, gross length 38 centimeter, that is L, flux per pole is 0.078 by 85 Weber. E is equal to P pi Z divided by 60A. From this formula we obtain Z value, conductor value is equal to 60 EA divided by P pi N. Capital Z is equal to conductor, that is Z is equal to 60 into 265 into 10 divided by 10 into 0.0785 into 250. A is capital A is equal to number of parallel paths, which depends upon the type of winding. So A lap winding, A is equal to P, number of pole is equal to 10. Given value N is equal to 250 RPM. Put this record value, we find Z is equal to 8010 conductors. Sorry, Z is equal to 810 conductors. That is answer. Second solution, tau s is equal to pi d divided by S. Tau s is equal to, assume 2.5 value. S is equal to pi d divided by tau s. Put this record value, we find answer. S is equal to 163 slots. That is slots value. Number of conductors per slot is equal to Z divided by S is equal to 810 divided by 163. Z by S is equal to 4.969, approximately 5 conductors plus slot. Number of conductors plus slot is equal to 5 conductors per slot. That is answer. Next, we find out IL value. IL is equal to capacity divided by voltage. Given value capacity 550 into 10 power 3 divided by voltage value 250. We obtain IL is equal to 2200 A answer ampere. That is answer. IA is equal to IL divided by pole. That is equal to 2200 by 10 is equal to IA is equal to 220 ampere. IA is equal to IL plus IF. IF is neglected. Capacity is 550 into 10 power 3. V is equal to 250. That is given value. IA value is we obtain 220 ampere. Slot loading formula is ampere conductor per slot into conductor per slot. So IA into 5, 220 into 5, 1100. That is less than 1500. Condition is satisfied. That is answer. Assume del A is equal to 5.75 ampere by meter square. That is select between 4 to 6. Del A is equal to 5.75 ampere per millimeter square. That is assume. AC is area of cross section is equal to IA dash divided by del A, that is 220 divided by 5.75, that is 38.26, approximately equal to 30 millimeters square. Condition satisfied. AC is area of cross section. Formula for L is equal to 0.68 to 0.7 pi d divided by pole. Given value pole is equal to 10 t is equal to 1.3 meter. Capital L is equal to 0.7 into pi d divided by 10. L is equal to 0.2198 d. D squared L is equal to 1 by C naught into PA divided by N. D squared L is equal to 1 by C naught PA divided by N. C naught is equal to B average into 0.164 into QE into 10 power minus 3. Tau P is equal to pi divided by P. Assume length of armature pole pitch greater than 6 pole is 45.50. I given previous class tabular column of pole plus value. Q is equal to small q is equal to 50,000 to 51,000. N is given value 250. C naught value is equal to 0.164 into 0.68 into 41,000 into 10 power minus 3. C naught is equal to 4.572. B average value we assume 0.43 to 0.36 Tesla. PA is 1.05 into rated P. So 1.05 into 550. PA value is 577.5 kilowatts. D square L is equal to 1 by C naught into PA divided by N. D square L is equal to 1 by C naught into PA divided by N. Put record values we obtain. D square into 0.2198 D is equal to 1 divided by 4.572 into 577.5 divided by 250. D cube into 0.2198 is equal to 0.5052. We obtain value C naught is equal to 4.572, P is equal to 577.5 kilowatts, N is equal to 250 rpm. D cube is equal to 2298. From this value we obtain D is equal to 4.547. L is equal to 0.2198 D. So L is equal to 1.11. Next we go to the solution. Armature copper loss. Armature copper loss formula is Ia squared Ra. Armature copper loss is Ia squared Ra. Ia is equal to 220. Rho value is 2 into 10 per minus 8 ohmmeter. We assume value. Tau s is equal to 2.5 to 3.5 cm for medium and large machine. Assume depth is 1.8 cm or 18 mm. LMT mean length is equal to 2L plus 2.3 tau p plus 5 dp in meter, where d is equal to depth of slot. LMT is equal to 2 into 1.1 plus 2.3 into 45.5 into plus 5 into 1.8. From this value we obtain LMT is equal to 1.96 meter. That is answer. L is capital L is equal to 1.1. Tau p is equal to 45.5. dp is equal to 18 millimeter. Capital A is number of parallel paths. A is equal to pole is equal to 10. Ra is equal to resistance formula is rho LMT is divided by 2AC into 1 by capital A square. That is Ra formula. Ra from Ra formula put record values. Ra is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 8 into 1.96 into 810 divided by 2 into 44 into 10 power minus 4 into 10 into 10. From this value we obtain Ra is equal to 3.8721 into 10 power minus 4. Ia square Ra is armature copper loss. Put record values 220 square into 3.8721 into 10 power minus 4. So armature copper loss we obtain 18.74 kilowatts. That is answer. Thank you.